So in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to prep nails super fast, okay? So in my previous video about how to prep nails, I took the shine off the nails by buffing them, okay? And in this video, it's just gonna be 10 times faster and you're gonna save your hands in the future, okay? I got this idea, I saw this on TikTok. I don't remember who or where, but I saw this on TikTok and one of my amazing subscribers also commented about this technique. So I decided to try it for myself and I loved it. So what you see me doing here is the same thing I always do, just taking off that stubby end from the end of the nail tip and then pushing my nail tips into the poster tack on the nail tip stands really, really good so they don't come off, okay? You're gonna hate that. So this part is still the same. You always want to remove the little stubbies from the end of the nail tip, and you always want to put your nail tips on your poster tack or whatever you're using to put your nail tips on the nail tip stands. You want to press it in really, really good so they don't come off when you're doing your nail application, your polishes shit. Okay, so after I've got my nails on the nail tip stand, I'm gonna take some acetone and just wipe off all the, excess oils from my hand and the debris from filing off the tips. Okay, so now this is the secret, you guys. This is the Gel X Prep from Opre, and this is supposed to be like a one-step system to prep these specific nails for nail polish application. So this is supposed to prep them and get them ready and dehydrated and primed and all that good stuff just with this one product. So this is amazing, you guys. If you don't get anything from this video, get this product because it's just gonna save you so much time. I have gotten through nail orders so much faster by doing this process with this product. So, try it out. Save your little fingers. And I'm just applying it how it says on the bottle, just applying it how you would any primer or a base coat, really. Just apply it over the entire nail. I'm kind of using like a light coat, but just getting the product on the entire nail is the key. And then I'm gonna go in with the Young Nails Protein Bond. This shit is amazing. I used this one time, like I tried it out on myself and my nails stayed on for so long. It was crazy. I had a hard time getting them off, but this stuff is amazing. You don't have to use them both together. Like I said, if you want to get anything, definitely get the Opre product that I showed you earlier, but this is definitely going to help with the adhesion process as well. So, this is what I've been doing now, and I love it. And I'm just applying this the same way that the bottle says, just applying it over the entire nail in an even layer. And once I do both of those, then I go in with my crusty dusty base coat. It's not crusty on this side. I just go in with my base coat, just like usual. And with doing this, I did find that applying my polishes, it's a lot more smoother. So, I'm no scientific genius. I'm not exactly sure why that is. Maybe it has something to do with not buffing the surface prior to to applying the gel polish, but you know, I'm no scientific genius. I'm just saying your polish goes on so much more smoother, okay, doing this technique. And I was scared that I would have problems with peeling because I wasn't roughing up the surface and that gel polish wasn't going to adhere to something. But the Gel-X Prep and the Protein Bond definitely do their job, and I haven't had any peeling problems. So once I apply my base coat, I'm ready for the designs. And that is the end of this video. It was super quick, but I really hope I helped you guys out, taught you guys something. And if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, all that. And I'll see you next time. Bye.